Hello guys, let us discuss this question. The slope of the tangent to the curve dy by dx is equal to 2y upon x square. If I separate the variables, it is dy upon y is equal to 2 times dx upon x square. Integration of dy upon y is equal to 2 times integration of dx upon x square, okay, and then plus c. Integration of 1 by y is log y. Integration of 1 by x square is minus 1 by x, so this is minus 2 by x plus c. Okay, let's call this as equation 1. It passes through the center of the circle. Center of the circle, coefficients of x and y, divide by 2 and change the sign. It will be 1 comma 1. So you put x is equal to 1 and y equal to 1. You get log 1 to any log 1 to base e is equal to minus 2 plus c. Log 1 to any base is 0, so c will be equal to 2. Okay, substitute back in equation 1. You will get this as log y to the base e is equal to minus 2 by x, okay, plus 2. So you get log y to the base e, okay, is equal to cross multiply and take 2 common, it is x minus 1 divided by x. Further you cross multiply x, you get x into log y. X into log y to the base e is equal to 2 into x minus 1. Okay, that's the answer guys. Answer is option C. Let's move to the next question. If I divide by x, okay, so you will get this as dy by dx plus 2 by x into y is equal to x. So this is linear differential equation. This is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. Alright, I'm going to take p is equal to 2 by x and q is equal to x. Okay, integrating factor is equal to e per integral p dx. So this is equal to e per integration of p is equal to 2 by x dx. So e to the power of 2 times integration of 1 by x is log x. Okay, so 2 log x can be written as log x square. 2 log x can be written as log x square. Log m power n is equal to n log m. You get this as 2 log x. E per log x square is x square only. So solution will be equal to y into integrating factor, okay, is equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. Y into integrating factor is x square is equal to integral q into integrating factor. Q will be equal to x into x square, okay, x into x square dx. So this is x into x square and then dx plus c. Y into x square is equal to integration of x cube dx, okay, and then plus c. Y into x square is equal to integration of x cube is x to the power of 4 divided by 4 and plus c. Okay, let us call equation 1. It is given in the question that y of 1 equal to 1. That is when x is equal to 1, y will be equal to 1. So you get y 1 is equal to 1 upon 4 plus c. So this 1 is equal to 1 by 4 plus c. So c is equal to 3 by 4. So the c will be equal to c is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, let us substitute in equation 1. So you get y into x square is equal to x per 4 divided by 4 plus this is 3 by 4. Okay, now if I divide by x square, you will get y is equal to x square by 4. Y equal to x square by 4. Okay, plus this is 3 divided by 4x square. Right, that's answer guys. Answer is option E. Let's move to the next question. Okay, again linear differential equation question. I can write this as dy by dx is equal to tan x, okay, into sec square tan x into sec square x minus this is y into sec square x. You shift on the left side, you will get dy by dx plus y into sec square x, okay, is equal to tan x into sec square x. Now I brought to the standard form. Now this is of the form Okay, this is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Dy by dx plus py equal to q. Okay, now if I bring it to this, p is equal to actually sec square. Okay, p is equal to sec square and q is equal to tan x into sec square. Tan x into sec square. Okay, and then if is equal to integrating factor is e per integral ptx. Okay, so this is equal to e per integration of sec square x dx. Okay, e per sec square x, it will be equal to tan x. Okay, now the solution is y into if is equal to integral q into if. Okay, q into if and then dx plus c. So y into if is equal to e per tan x. Okay, is equal to integral q into if. Q is equal to tan x into sec square x. Okay, if will be equal to e per tan x dx plus c. Now what I'll do is I'm going to put tan x is equal to t. Differentiation of tan x is sec square x dx is equal to dt. Okay, so this is equal to y into e per tan x is equal to tan x is equal to t, right? So this is t into e per t. Sec square x dx is equal to dt plus c. Y into e per tan x is equal to, if I use by parts, you get t into e per t, okay, minus e per t plus c. I'm directly doing, guys, just use by parts there. So y into e per tan x, okay, is equal to, you take e per t out. So this is y into e to the power of tan x. Y into e per tan x is equal to, you get e to the power of tan x. Okay, e to the power of tan x into t minus 1. That is tan x minus 1. I take e per t out and substitute the value of t and then plus c. Okay, let's call this as equation 1. Let me see the boundary values. Y of 0 is equal to 0. That is when x is equal to 0, y equal to 0. So left side you get 0. E per 0, 0 minus 1 and plus c. So you get 0 minus 1 plus c. That is, you get 1 is equal to c. E per 0 is 0, right? E per 0 is 1, sorry. So this can be written as 0 is equal to minus 1 and plus c. So c is equal to 1. Okay, substitute the value of c in equation 1. You will get y into e per tan x. Okay, is equal to e to the power of tan x into tan minus 1. Okay, so this is into tan x minus 1 and then plus c plus 1. Now I'm supposed to find out what is y of minus pi by 4. That is when x is equal to minus pi by 4. When x is equal to minus pi by 4, okay, you get y is equal to y into e to the power of minus 1 is equal to e power minus 1. This is minus 1 and then plus 1. Okay, so you get y by e is equal to minus 2 by e, okay, and then plus 1. If you cross multiply y, you get e minus 2. That's the answer, guys. Y is equal to e minus 2. That is last option D. Let's move to the next question. Okay, again this is linear differential equation, 2019 question. This is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. Okay, now this p is equal to tan x. Okay, and then q is equal to 2x plus x square into tan x. Right, now if is equal to e to the power of integral p dx, e per integral p dx. So this is e to the power of integration of tan x. Integration of tan x will be equal to log sec x. Okay, this is log sec x. E to the power of log sec x will be equal to sec x only. Right, now the solution is y into if is equal to integral q into if and then dx plus c. You get y into if will be equal to sec x. Okay, is equal to integral q into if. What is q now? Q is equal to 2x plus 2x plus x square into tan x, 2x plus x square into tan x, and then if is equal to sec x, okay, sec x dx, and then plus c. You get y into sec x, okay, is equal to, this should be equal to 2x into sec x dx, okay, plus x square into this is sec x tan x, sec x tan x dx plus c. Okay, so this is equal to integration of 2x into sec x, okay, and then plus, let us use by parts. First function is x square, integration of sec x tan x is sec x, minus integral of second, okay, differentiation of x square is 2x dx, and then plus constant c. Anyways, this will cancel. I can write this as y upon cos, okay, is equal to x square upon cos, okay, and then plus c. If I multiply by cos, you get x square plus c into cos x. Okay, let's call this as equation 1. Okay, let's call this as equation 1. Alright, now it is given in the question that y of 0 is equal to 1. That is, when x is equal to 0, y equal to 1. So if I use the boundary value x is 0, y is 1, when x is equal to 0, y equal to 1, you get 1 is equal to c. Okay, substitute back in equation 1. You will get y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square plus cos x, because c is 1. This is y of x. Okay, now let us check what is y dash of x, guys. Y dash of x is equal to differentiation of x square is 2x, differentiation of cos is minus sine. This is y dash of x. Okay, let me take the first option. Y dash of pi by 4, or double dash is, okay, y dash of pi by 4. Y dash of pi by 4, let me first find out y dash of pi by 4 and y dash of minus pi by 4, because that's there in all the options, right? Okay, y dash of pi by 4 and y dash of minus pi by 4. Y dash of pi by 4 will be equal to 2 into pi by 4 minus sine of pi by 4. So this is equal to pi by 2 minus 1 by root 2. Okay, and then y dash of minus pi by 4 will be equal to 2 into minus pi by 4. Okay, minus, this is sine of minus pi by 4. So I get this as minus pi by 2, sine of minus pi by 4, minus and minus is plus, you get 1 by root 2. Okay, let me use the options now. Okay, first option A is equal to y dash of pi by 4. Okay, y dash of pi by 4 minus y dash of minus pi by 4. So this is y dash of pi by 4. Okay, and then y dash of minus pi by 4. That is equal to y dash of pi by 4 will be equal to pi by 2 minus 1 by root 2. Okay, y dash of minus pi by 4 will be equal to minus pi by 2, okay, plus 1 by root 2. If you open the bracket, you get this as pi by 2 minus 1 upon root 2 plus pi by 2 minus 1 upon root 2. You get pi minus root 2. Okay, that's right. That is correct, guys. Answer is option A only. Pi minus root 2. Check with the other options, it will not satisfy. Okay, let's move to next question. Again, this is a linear differential equation. Y square into dx. Okay, so this is y square into dx is equal to, if you shift on the right side, it is minus x minus 1 upon y into dy. So dx by dy is equal to, this is minus x by y square minus 1 by y cube. Okay, now this is equal to dx by dy is equal to minus x by y square. Okay, this is plus 1 by y cube. Okay, so dx by dy plus this is x upon y square. X upon y square is equal to 1 by y cube. Now this is of the form This is of the form dx by dy plus px is equal to q. Okay, now p is equal to 1 by y square. P and q are constants or functions of y. So this is 1 by y square. This is 1 upon by q. Okay, that is p and q. Okay, now integrating factor will be equal to e per integral p dy. So that's equal to e per integration of 1 by y square dy, e to the power of minus 1 by y. Okay, solution will be equal to x into integrating factor. X into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor. Okay, and then dy plus c. X into integrating factor will be equal to e power minus y. Okay, is equal to integral q into integrating factor. Q will be equal to 1 by y cube. If is equal to e power minus 1 by y, and then this is dy plus c. X into e power minus 1 by y, okay, is equal to, this is 1 by y square. 1 by y e to the power of minus 1 by y. This is 1 by y square, and then this is dy plus c. What I'll do is I'm going to put minus 1 by y is equal to t. So this is 1 by y square dy is equal to dt. Okay, and from this 1 by y is equal to minus t. So this is x into e to the power of minus 1 by y is equal to integration of, this is minus t e to the power of t 1 by y square dy dt, and then plus c. X into e to the power of minus 1 by y is equal to minus, first function is t, integral of second, minus integration of second, differentiation of first is 1 plus c. X into e power minus 1 by y is equal to minus t into minus e to the power of t, e to the power of t into, this is t minus 1. Okay, and then plus c. Now substitute the boundary, substitute the value of t. X into e to the power of minus 1 by y is equal to minus e to the power of t is minus 1 by y, t is minus 1 by y minus 1 and plus c. So you get x into e to the power of minus 1 by y, okay, is equal to e power minus 1 by y, 1 upon y plus 1 and plus c. Okay, let's call this as equation 1. What are the boundary values? X is when x is equal to, the value of y is 1 when x is equal to 1. So that is when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. You get this as e to the power of minus 1 is equal to e to the power of minus 1 into 2 plus c. Okay, so this is 1 by e minus 2 by e, okay, is equal to c. So c is equal to minus 1 by e. Okay, substitute back in equation 1. You will get this as x into e to the power of minus 1 by y, okay, is equal to e to the power of minus 1 by y, okay, and then 1 by y plus 1, okay, and the value of c will be equal to minus 1 by e. Now what am I supposed to find out? I am supposed to find out what's the value of y. Okay, this is 1 upon e. Okay, what's the value of x when y is equal to 2? That is when y is equal to 2. Okay, y equal to 2. Let me substitute here. Let me find out here itself. When y equal to 2, you get x into e to the power of minus 1 by 2. Okay, is equal to e to the power of minus 1 by 2. Okay, and then this is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 minus e, minus 1 upon e. So this is x by e to the power of half. Okay, is equal to 3 by 2 e to the power of half. Okay, minus 1 by e. If you cross multiply, you get x is equal to 3 by 2. X is equal to 3 by 2 minus, okay, e power half divided by e. E power half divided by e is equal to 1 by, is equal to root, is equal to 1 by root e. That's right. If I cross multiply, you get x is equal to 3 by 2, okay, minus 1 by root e. That's the answer, guys. 1 minus 1 upon root e. Answer will be equal to option B. Thanks for watching, guys.